Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Prince, and I am excited to present our comprehensive data analysis project aimed at optimizing sales strategies, boosting sales, improving customer relationships, and maximizing business performance for AdventureWorks. Project objectives. Our primary objectives for this project include leveraging data analysis to gain actionable insights, optimizing sales strategies, boosting overall sales, improving customer relationships, refining pricing and discount strategies, and ultimately, maximizing business performance. These objectives guide our analysis and recommendations to drive growth and achieve our organizational goals. Overview of the data set. To achieve these objectives, we work with the AdventureWorks sales data set, comprehensive collection of data related to sales transactions, customers, products, territories, resellers, and dates. Key tables in the dataset include sales data, customer data, product data, sales territory data, reseller data, and date data. With a clear understanding of our data set, let's move into the structured approach. Structured approach. Before we delve into the intricate details of our analysis, we take a moment to understand the structured approach we're taking. Our analysis is divided into 4 key components: data preparation and modeling, analysis and insights, dashboard development, and recommendations and action plan. This structured approach ensures that we cover all aspects of the data analysis process, from preparing and modeling the data to deriving insights, visualizing findings, and proposing actionable recommendations. Let's explore each of these components in more detail. Regional sales analysis. Now, let's dive into one of the 21 comprehensive analyses in our data analysis project, which evaluates regional sales performance to inform strategies that maximize revenue and optimize resource allocation. The objective is to identify top-performing regions for targeted marketing campaigns and sales optimization, as understanding regional sales performance helps allocate resources effectively and tailor strategies to specific geographic areas. The analysis will focus on the metric of sales amount by the dimension of region, using sales data and sales territory data. Building on this foundation, let's proceed to the first main component of our project, where we'll delve deeper into data preparation and modeling for regional sales analysis. Data preparation and modeling. Data extraction, transformation, and load, ETL. The first step in our data preparation is importing the data. We import the sales data and sales territory data into Excel using Power Query. Then, we transform the data to ensure consistency, remove duplicates, and ensure correct data type. After transforming the data, we load it into Power Pivot by selecting Close and Load to, and choosing Only Create Connection, and add this data to the data model. Creating relationships in Power Pivot. Once our data is loaded into Power Pivot, we click on Manage Data Model to open the Power Pivot window. In the Power Pivot window, we click on the Design tab. We create relationships between tables in Power Pivot. Specifically, we link the territory key and sales data with the territory key and sales territory data to enable analysis of sales by region. Measure creation in Power Pivot. We create a crucial measure named sales amount and assign it an operator equal to a DAX expression that calculates the sum of sales amounts from the sales data table. This measure computes the total sales amounts, allowing us to perform detailed analysis of regional sales performance. Here's what each part of this expression means. Sum. This is the DAX aggregation function used to sum up values. Sales data. This refers to the table or data source from which we are retrieving the sales amounts. Sales amount. This specifies the column within the sales data table that contains the sales amounts. Analysis and insights. Our primary analysis focuses on regional sales performance. By identifying regions with the highest sales amounts, we can tailor our marketing campaigns and sales optimization efforts more effectively. Analysis steps. To start, we create a pivot table with region on rows and sales amount by region as values. Sorting the pivot table in descending order by sales amount helps us identify the highest performing regions. Next, we create a pivot chart, such as a bar chart, to visualize and compare sales amounts across regions. We also sort the pivot chart to match the pivot table, ensuring clarity and consistency in our analysis. Key findings. From our analysis, we discover that the high-performing regions are Southwest, $24,184,610. Canada, $16,355,770. Northwest, $16,084,943. Conversely, the least performing regions are France, $7,251,556. Northeast, $6,939,374. Germany, $4,878,300. Dashboard development. The purpose of this phase is to create an interactive and visually appealing dashboard that provides a comprehensive view of regional sales performance, enabling stakeholders to make informed decisions based on the data. Create the dashboard layout. We open a new worksheet in Excel for the dashboard. Sections are defined for different visualizations such as charts, tables, and key metrics. Insert pivot tables and charts. We insert the pivot table created for regional sales analysis and the corresponding bar chart pivot chart to display sales amounts by region. Add slicers for interactivity. Slicers are added for key dimensions like region to allow users to filter and interact with the data. We go to the Pivotable Tools Analyze tab, click on Insert Slicer, and select the desired fields. Format the dashboard. The dashboard is formatted for clarity and ease of use, including adjusting chart colors, adding titles, and ensuring consistent fonts. Labels and legends are added where necessary to make the visualizations easily understandable. Add key metrics. Key metrics such as total sales amount, highest performing region, and percentage of total sales by region are displayed as separate cards or text boxes. Recommendations and action plan. Findings. The Southwest has the highest sales with $24,184,610, while Germany has the lowest sales at $4,878,300. Recommendations. Targeted marketing. Invest more in marketing efforts in the Southwest to maintain its high sales performance. Sales training. Provide additional sales training and support in Germany to boost sales. Resource allocation. Allocate additional resources to support sales efforts in these regions. Replication of success strategies. Identify specific factors contributing to success in these regions, and replicate strategies in other areas where feasible. Monitor sales performance closely and adjust strategies as needed to maintain momentum in high-performing regions. Next, analysis. After completing the regional sales analysis, our next focus will be on the customer analysis. Conclusion. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.